Welcome, and for me is a NOKIA X10, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere between the toggles you should find a screen recording toggle, which for me it's right over here. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. It gives you a couple options like record audio, so device, microphone, both or nothing, and also show touches on screen. I'll enable it just so you can see how that looks like. From there you can select start. It will start a countdown from 3 and then it will start recording. So whatever you will do right now will be obviously recorded by the device. Even if you open up some apps, they will also be recorded. And once you're done with your recording, pull down your notifications, select stop, and that's it. The screen recording gets automatically saved to your photo application. So I'll open up that right now. You can then navigate to a library and select movies, where you'll find your screen recording, and it's already playing. You can also see this grayish dot. That is where my finger was pressing, so that's basically the toggle, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.